Sirloin of beef, back to the Brasserie for your Sunday lunch, but you're cooking it at home. What we're going to have is 2 boxes. So you've got one that's going to be packed full of vegetables and some beautiful red wine jus. And then we've got the other one here, which has got a wonderful big joint of aged sirloin, your roast potatoes and carrots. So to set up, we're going to put the roast beef, the potatoes and the cauliflower cheese on a tray, and we're going to heat up the oil in the Yorkshire tray. Now that Yorkshire tray is hot, carefully take it out of the oven and we'll pour the batter in. You should get 4 Yorkshire puddings out of this batter, plenty for extras. Once they're in the tray, everything in the oven for 20 minutes on 180. Now that's cooking, there's time for me to have a glass of wine while we wait. Cheers. So now that the beef, collie, the Yorkies and the roast potatoes have been in for about 15 minutes, we're just going to put the rest of the vegetables and the red wine jus into a rolling boiling pot for about 5 minutes before we're ready to serve. Okay, so now we've hit about 20 minutes. All of our veg is hot, the beef is ready, the Yorkies are cooked. Really important, open the oven nice and slowly so that you don't burn yourself with the steam and that we don't sink the Yorkshires with all that cold air rushing in. Beautiful. We are ready to go. So being very careful, everything's hot. We want to get our beef onto the chopping board. We're going to let that kind of sit while we get everything else plated. Being extra careful when removing the hot vegetables from the pan and your sauce. You might find you've got some vegetables left over. This is going to be great for an addition to another meal during the week, or if you've got some beef left over, to have it as a snack tomorrow lunch. Now that the beef's had a few moments out of the oven, it's time to carve. I don't know about you, but I love the crunchy outside bit. And to finish, Yorkshire puddings and red wine gravy. Enjoy. Sunday roast at the Brass.